Om Gurubhyo Namaha. We are going to steal a few minutes of your time because this speech is a complete surprise. Nobody saw this coming. This wasn't the timeline of events planned for today. On the occasion of 75th International Nirantara Kalemani Festival, we would like to share our heartfelt appreciation for the two very special people, Dr. K. Kumar and Dr. Malati. How did this couple manage to conduct monthly events for 75 consecutive months over the past 5 years? The answer is simple. Their love for the field of art, their dedication, their discipline, their devotion. Money didn't build this. Government grants didn't build this. Sponsors didn't build this. Love built this. They invested their hard-earned money into this beautiful building and transformed it into a temple where art will live on forever. Thousands of artists have graced the stage and hundreds of icons and trailblazers have been recognized and honored with the prestigious Kalemani Kalashri Award. Not only that, yearly competitions, lecture demonstrations, Purandara Tyagaraja Aradhana, World Dance Day, International Women's Day, Ramanavami, Krishna Janmashtami, Kannada Rajyotsava, Mysuru Dasara Navaratri, and many more cultural celebrations have been organized here. 5 of India's 8 classical dance forms have already been performed on the stage, and rest assured, will soon be taking off all 8. Let's not forget the beautiful Carnatic vocal concerts, Hindustani vocal concerts, and classical instrumental performances. From solo performances to duets, from group productions to dance dramas, from artists of small towns to artists from abroad, from budding stars aged 5 to seasoned performers in their 60s, from first performances to Ranga Praveshas, we've covered it all. And the reason behind all of this, Dr. Kumar and Dr. Malati. Most of us struggle to complete one degree. Some complete 2. Very few complete 3. Dr. Kumar completed 16. Yes, he holds 16 academic and artistic qualifications. BCom, LLB, Bachelor of Music, Nritya Visharada, Sangeeta Visharada, Nritya Prabhakara, Vidvat in Bharatanatyam, Master of Music, MA in Bharatanatyam, MA in Sanskrit, Nritya Bhaskara, Sangeeta Bharata, PhD in Dance, DLS, and is qualified in UGC NET. Not just that, he is a renowned performer, Natuvanar, choreographer, background vocalist for dance, dance critic, lyricist, author, director of dance dramas, and a profound exponent of Carnatic classical music. And he is an extraordinary chef as well. He served for nearly 4 decades as professor and head of Department of Dance at the University of Mysore and is currently a senior professor in the Department of Classical Dances of India at Vedic Wellness University, Florida, USA. He has authored 5 remarkable books on Bharatanatyam, guided 24 PhD scholars with several more currently pursuing their research, and has successfully trained 39 students for their Arangetram. As a performer, he has presented over 1,000 performances across India and countries like Sri Lanka, the Maldives, Indonesia, Cambodia, Singapore, and Malaysia. He has choreographed remarkable productions. He has also received more than 10 international awards and over 20 national awards and more than 30 state awards, including the prestigious Karnataka Kalashri Award. And standing beside him through every dream, every struggle, every event, and every success is Dr. Malati, a respected senior pediatrician, a wonderful mother, a compassionate human being, and the silent strength behind Kalemani. People often say behind every successful man is a strong woman. I don't think that's true here. She isn't behind him. She has always stood beside him. As an equal, as a partner, as his greatest strength. Together, they have built something far greater than an institution. They have built a family. In fact, even the name Kalemani is a family. K for Kumar, L for Lekha, M for Malati, and N for Nidhi.
Whenever people appreciate Kalemani and everything that happens here, he very humbly says, the 4 of us do it together. And yes, that's true. My mom, my sister Lekha, and I are always there to support him in every way we can. But today, I think it's only fair that I tell you the truth. The driving force behind this entire festival is him. He's the one who decides which artists should perform. He personally calls them, speaks to them, follows up, confirms their dates, collects their biodatas and photographs. plans the schedule and makes sure everything is in place. If you've ever wondered how we were able to announce programs months in advance, it's because he has already planned everything. If you open his diary or his calendar, you'll probably find it booked for the next 4 or 5 months. Not just his own schedule, but his auditorium schedule as well. Artists from all over keep calling him, and somehow he always finds a way to give them an opportunity to perform. Before any of us even reach the auditorium, he's already here, making sure everything is clean, everything is ready, makes sure every artist feels welcome. And once the program begins, as you've all witnessed, he becomes the organizer, the speaker, the MC, the problem solver, all at the same time like a one-man army. From A to Z, he does everything. Of course, none of this would have been possible without my mom's constant support and whatever little me, my sister and Lekha and I are able to contribute. But if I'm being completely honest, the person who carried all this dream on his shoulders for 75 consecutive festivals is my dad. So I think it's only right that we all take a moment to acknowledge both of them. Can we please give them a huge round of applause? And before I conclude, I'd like to make one small request. Many of you may not know this, but my dad never got the opportunity to have his own Ranga Pravesha. Life had different plans for him. Instead of performing his own Ranga Pravesha, he dedicated his life to preparing hundreds of students for theirs. So today, as his daughters and his students, we have a small wish. When we celebrate the 100th International Nirantara Kalemane Festival, I hope we don't just celebrate another milestone. I hope we celebrate Dr. Kumar's Rangabhimandanam. Because even today, he continues to prove that age is just a number. The passion, energy, and the fire is still there. Yeah, it would probably take me an entire day to talk about these two and how amazing they are. I might even start welling up. They are our biggest pride, our ego, and our biggest blessing. A few days ago, I was telling my best friend that my dad deserves one of our country's highest honors. I kept saying that he has to receive that award, he truly deserves it. But the more I thought about it, the more I realized something. Awards don't make people great. Great people give awards their meaning. Today, I genuinely feel that no award can define him. No award deserves him. No title can measure his contribution. There are legends, and then there are people who create legends. To us, he belongs in the second category. He doesn't need another award to prove his greatness. His life is already done. Before I conclude, I'd like to share one last thing about our Guru, Arappa. If there's one thing I've learned from him, it's that money has never impressed him. Awards have never changed him, titles have never defined him. I still remember what he said when he was the chief guest at a Ranga Pravesha just last month. He said, "The greatest happiness for a guru is not money, not awards, and not fame. The greatest happiness is seeing your students perform better than you ever imagined." So today, on the occasion of 75th International Kalemane Festival, we, the students of Kumar Performing Arts Center, have only one goal: to give our very best, to make our Guru proud, because if we can bring a smile to his face today, that will be the greatest award we could ever receive. With that, I invite all the students of Kumar Performing Arts Center to come forward and seek the blessings of our beloved Gurus Dr. Kumar and Dr. Masi and all the respected and distinguished people present here. I also humbly seek all of the Rasikas' blessings. Thank you. Namaskar.